measure the shallow water, ignoring the deeper action. Compactified sectors, the Kaluza-Klein reduction, a hidden fifth dimension governing earthly construction. It's the hard logic, submerged in the architecture, beyond the reach of a standard empirical atmospheric detector. At the core of the quiet, a microscopic droplet in Axion Quark Nugget tucked in the cosmological pocket. It's a dark matter engine, a limitless ancient battery, defying the baseline of four-dimensional anatomy. Fermi pressure pushing the furious subatomic storm, seeking to expand, trying to break out of the norm. But the Axion Domain Wall is locking the prison tight, and then we're facing boundary, hiding the localized light. Perfect equilibrium tension without a fracture, a sleeping transdimensional titan awaiting the manufacture. Reality is elastic, the manifold has a flex. The thickness of space and time is mathematically complex. Enter the dilaton field, the canvas is starting to warp. Every action in the baseline, plucking the silent harp. The universe is a ledger, the Sarge protocol is writing a subtle geometric folding, a silent celestial sighting. This is the shadow log, the curvature of the void, where the smooth space-time continuum is steadily destroyed. A record of energy transfer, a metric accumulation, pushing the hidden boundaries closer to ruination. The pressure is mounting up, the invisible wall is straining. The localized Reno node is secretly ascertaining. We need a cosmic catalyst, a rupture to break the seal, to force the compactified sector to violently get real. Tension at the critical, the threshold is maxing out. The heavens open up to extinguish the dimensional doubt. High in the stratosphere, bypassing the weather radar. The sky fires a warning shot, a luminous electric quasar. The red sprite discharge, a crimson celestial hammer, striking the earthly anvil, breaking the hidden grammar. It isn't a random flash, it's a targeted ignition, a massive influx of energy forcing the transition, seeding the local atmosphere, ionizing the air, ripping the domain wall, leaving the 5D layer bare. The dark matter breaches the lock, safe cracks and shatters, filling the transdimensional chaos into physical matters. The ionization pins at the localized environment, captures the leak and spins it, forcing a rapid collapse of 10-centimeter singularity, bringing the hidden variable into a 40 clarity. The plasmatory cages, the immense erupting heat, the magnetic bottle forms making the trap complete. Lorentz force on the surface, stabilizing the shell, balancing the bending relation so the nugget doesn't swell. This ain't a weather anomaly, a trick of the local climate. It's a mathematically perfect cage in the universe designed. A transdimensional brim straddling the friction begins to glow. A high frequency downshift putting on a luminous show. 14.2 gigahertz pulse on the radio wave as the 5D energy burns inside a spherical cave. It's the glowing exhaust of space-time folding and bending the ball. Lightning mythos, the sovereign logic descending. Yeah. From the 5D Ritchie scalar to the atmospheric floor, the red sprite is the key. The plasma is the door, shadow logs in the ledger. Project sovereign, the veil is torn.